So hi guys, so in this video we're gonna see how to speak the English. So there are a lot of people they are struggling to the speak English. So I am make the video for there are easily to the learning and understanding. So thank you for the watching and keep learning. So in this video we're gonna see how to the sentence framing, the past, like yesterday. You know, if you see the so many words or so many the past the sentence used while you speaking that is makes helpful for your communication skills and series. And also, the simply you can speak the past the tense. Okay, like yeah, the for example, I woke up early, and also I ate food. Like in the present tense, we are the telling the yeah I am eating. So this is the present. So if you the speak the past, I ate breakfast, I ate dinner, I ate lunch. So like that way, you gonna speak the past things, and also you speaking with your friends like the past. I speak with my friends. I played a game. She played. She could early. So these are the simple, the past, the sentence framing. Yeah, so much of people there are how they are speaking they don't know. Like because of they are speaking the mixture of the English like the present tense and the past and the future. Like if you the using the past and present, like if you the present it is the in this situation the what is happening, like I am speaking with you, I am taking video. So these are the simple the present. Like the past means I watch the cricket at night. I played yesterday. Yesterday I brushed my teeth. Yesterday I go to walk. Yesterday I ate dinner. And also these are the simple sentence you make it, and yeah, you're gonna speak. If you go to the outside, I went to that place. I went to a college yesterday. So so many sentences are there. I went supermarket. So these are the simple the past, like see they're using the past and the present tense. So it is a makes helpful for your speaking. Like the way I am saying means if you start simple, initially it is the struggling. I know because I'm also beginner. I'm also the learning the English. I take this kind of the video. I recorded after some of the edit like you know the subtitle it is important for everyone beginner learning because of if you see the subtitle, yeah, you can read the what they are speaking, the what is the content. They can understand to speak the English and also some of the helpful. So in this, these are the simple, the fast, the word. Yeah, you can use it. Like if you go to somewhere with your friends, yeah, I went already that place. Like if you go to the beach, yeah, I went already this beach. So if you speaking this kind of the word with your friends or something in your own, it is the helpful for your learning also. So in this video, like I mentioned earlier, the past tenses we are the learning in this video. So the kindly if I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will the correct upcoming videos. And also I'm thinking one kind of like if you I have some idea like if you interested, please let me know in the comment section. Like I'm speaking with some conversation idea. You the try this, or if you can need, please let me know in the comment section. I will create some good link. We gonna discuss, like after that take the recorded video we post on the YouTube. So this is I mentioned. So after that, so thanks for the watching this video fully, and also the thanks for the supporting my videos. Like I'm also beginner, but I'm also still the trying and consistently. So if you the English how to speak, the tips and tricks you need, please subscribe my channel, and also the follow and like, share with your friends. So thanks for watching. We're gonna see the next video.